Hello everyone, hope that you're doing okay. Today we're going to be solving two-step inequalities. So the steps for doing this are to simplify each side of the inequality if you can, then to clear addition and subtraction, then to clear multiplication or division. And the key to this is if you multiplied or divided by a negative number, you need to flip the inequality. So here is our first example. 3x plus 2 is less than 11. So what I like to do is draw on a line where the inequality is, so we can keep our work nice and organized. So first step, simplify each side if you can. There's nothing to simplify, there's no like terms to combine on either side. So then we need to clear addition and subtraction. So it's 3x plus 2. To get rid of plus 2, we subtract 2. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other. Once we subtract 2 on both sides, we're left with 3x on the left side and 9 on the right side. Then we need to clear multiplication or division. So we need to divide both sides by 3 to get x by itself. When we do that, we get x on the left side and 3 on the other side. And then 4 says if you multiplied or divided by a negative number, flip the inequality. We divide it by a positive number, so our sign stays the same. So our final answer is x is less than 3. Sign is facing the same way, x is less than 3. Second example. This one is a little different. There's x's on both sides. So now remember, when you're solving equations, inequalities, whatever it is, you need the x's on one side and the numbers on the other before you can solve. We cannot do step 1 again. There's nothing to simplify on each side. So I'm going to take the 4x and get it on the side with the 2x. So that way the x's are on one side and the numbers are on the other. So to do that, subtract 4x on both sides. Gets rid of it on this side, comes down on that side. So all that's left on the left side is negative 2. And then you're left with negative 2x on the right side. Then we need x by itself, so we need to divide both sides by negative 2. When we do that, we're left with x on the right side and 1 on the other. But now here's where step 4 comes in. We divided by a negative number, so we need to flip the inequality. So our final answer is x is less than 1. Always read it with the variable first. It's pointing towards x, x is less than 1. See how it flipped? It opened up to the right up here, now it opened up to the left. You could also write this as x is less than 1 with x on the left side. These two are saying the exact same thing. Third one, now this one we can simplify on each side of the equation. Notice how there's like terms on the left and the right. On the left, the x's are like terms, and on the right, the numbers are like terms. So you can combine 3x and the negative 2x and the 9 and the 3. When you do that, you get x plus 2, because 3x minus 2x is x, and then you just carry down the 2. And on the other side, you get 12. Then it's the same steps as before. Clear addition and subtraction. We need to subtract 2 on both sides. When we do that, we get x on the left side and 10 on the right side. Since there's no multiplication to get rid of or division, our final answer is x is less than 10. Hope everything's going well for you. Please be asking questions if you have them, and make sure to do the homework assignment on It's Learning.